Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to search players on Roblox. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, tap on the connect icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now go ahead and type in the username of the person that you want to search. Once you're done, tap on send. And that's it. This is how you search players on Roblox. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.